About an hour west of Austin is Blanco, Texas, an area known for having wide open ranch lands and big blue skies. We're here to explore a property that doesn't just embrace country living, but takes it to a whole new level. So I understand this project has gone through a lot of evolutions from what it started as to where it ultimately ended up.
Yes, when the clients first reached out to us, they were envisioning a gathering space. So they wanted to have a place where they could host the family. And originally it was just going to be living room, dining room, kitchen, and it grew and grew until it became their house.
This is a ranch and it feels like it. How did that place inform your design decisions?
Ranches are big open spaces and they're all about the land. We thought about how ranchers really think and how they make tools, and everything is designed to express that straightforward nature that ranchers have.
You know, as I understand it, this property is also a really good expression of your creative relationship as well.
We had very common sensibilities and aspirations, but very different skill sets.
Camille's usually the big picture person and I am more the details person, and it's a really interesting project because there's a lot of little details that reveal themselves to you slowly over time.
You know, as we actually entered this space, I'm reminded of being a kid playing in barns on farms.
It's a barn structure. It's open and it's big and it services a lot of activity. But the thing that it really affords us is these big open gables on the ends that we glassed in, which really allows us to connect with the outside spaces. So we have a porch on the east and on the west, and we can sort of track the sun throughout the day.
I keep having to remind myself that ultimately this place is still a ranch.
The moment you drive up to the property, you see the front gate that is made out of steel and concrete. And then as you approach the house, the first thing you see is the reclaimed barnwood that we sourced from Delta Millworks in Austin that ties it back to that idea of the ranch.
And then once you get inside the house, we've used the same materials, but in a slightly refined way. So you'll see wood, and it's right next to concrete, which is a very rough material, but put together so beautifully by Austin Concrete Development. Couple that with the furnishings, where there's a lot of custom furniture that we had made, and the little details of leather straps on the kitchen light fixtures. They just all layer together to sort of create an atmosphere that's a little bit elevated.
You know, given how big the rest of this house is, it's really surprising to see a room that's this small and intimate.
Well, we took great care in separating the primary suite from the rest of the house. So it's 2 bars of gables that we separated and then connected with a bridge.
You know, we've talked a lot about indoor and outdoor, but I didn't expect to see it that radically here in a place like the bedroom.
The corner opens up completely so that you can extend the space to this private patio. We achieved this privacy by having a low wall where they're able to see out but still feel protected in here, so much so that we have an outdoor shower.
I mean, if we were on a little later, I'd have to give that a spin. But it is really all about the view, ultimately.
It is, but with that comes a lot of glass. We worked with Relative Home Systems to have our blackout shades that integrate into the system that controls everything else in this house. So lighting, music, including heated floors in the primary bathroom.
Okay, so an underground wine cellar?
Well, it was kind of a surprise to us too. This was not part of the original design for the house. There aren't a lot of cellars in Texas, so we were really fortunate to be working with Corral builders because they're really great with the technical aspects of building and they're really great with the craft.
There were very carefully chosen materials, like the board formed concrete walls, the concrete floors. We brought in the walnut that brings a richer feel and more of a wine den.
Even though it's a little bit different, it still feels really unified to me.
Well, it is. It's a lot of the same pieces, but one of the big elements that helped us really change the feel of the space was the light quality. We worked with our lighting designer, Studio Lumina, and they helped us create that mood with the light. We've got a light cove over here on the concrete board form wall that really grazes that wall, and it really brings the texture out. That paired together with backlighting the stone and some other special pieces inside the cabinetry really allowed us to kind of bring the level of the light down and create a space that's just very different.
You know, with a project like this, of course the building is very considered, but its relationship to the exterior might even be more important.
Having the right landscape designer for this project was critical. We had worked with David Maller from Environmental Survey Consulting, and we knew he was the right partner for this because he can seamlessly blend in all the nature into this site to make it of the place.
I can't tell where the project stops and the natural landscape begins.
Well, we saw the ranch and we knew that we wanted to make the house fit and belong. We also wanted to make it sustainable, so that's why we're using a whole palette of the plants that are native to the hill country, and we're using this limestone that's from nearby to create a stylized version of what's really out there on the regular ranch.
And I also love how all of these environmental considerations are also enabling them to be a really great host.
We were very intentional in designing the outdoor spaces. Just as the house, it's meant to work for large gatherings, but also for intimate moments. And we have this pavilion here that we use to walk people from the house to all the natural features of the site.
From hosting amazing events to the quiet rhythms of everyday life, the Tarry House proves that when you have amazing design and incredible collaborations, you really can have it all. If only I'd brought my swimsuit.